Hi there, students. A hiatus. I think plural hiatuses. Okay, a hiatus is a noun. It means an unexpected break or an interruption to something, especially to work or the flow of a process. The electricity went out and this caused a hiatus at work. This type of hiatus is quite common. A break, a gap, a pause, an interruption of continuity. There was a hiatus when the photocopier jammed in the middle of printing a book. COVID has produced a hiatus in many businesses, an unexpected stoppage. An accident caused a hiatus in the flow of rush hour traffic. A loud noise caused a hiatus in my concentration. So, a gap, a break, an interruption, an unexpected stoppage. In linguistics, you can have a hiatus. This is a pause between two syllables. For example, the word reality. So R-E space orally, reality. So it's like a very small pause between two syllables, but between two vowels, making them into different syllables. Or the place, Vienna. There's a gap between the V and the N. Maybe even the word hiatus itself, hiatus. Liaison. Okay, so it's a syllable break between two vowels. Okay, you can have a hiatus in a series, a gap making the series incomplete. I guess you could have a hiatus in your football stickers where there's one that you haven't got. You can also have a hiatus in geology. If there is a break in geological strata, a gap between two sets of rock, then it's a gap, okay, between different strata of rock. In medicine, hiatus means an opening or a gap in an organ. For example, a hiatus hernia. So a hiatus, an unexpected hole, break, gap, stoppage, interruption. Okay, now notice this word is formal. I'd probably give this a 7.5 to 8 informality. Do not use it in an informal conversation. Use break, gap, interruption. I think hiatus for something semi-formal or very formal, and best something very formal. What about the origin? Well, this comes from the Latin verb hiare, to stand open, to gape, to yawn, a yawning gap, a great big gap. So far there's been no hiatus in my production of this video, but sometimes you'll see I have to cut and paste because some sort of hiatus occurs. So a hiatus, a gap, a break, an interruption, a hole in a series, particularly unexpected. And remember, very formal. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hiatus.